this number is so shocking to people. Like when somebody says, oh, I just have one cat, it doesn't matter. One pregnant female cat and her pyramid of offspring, her kittens, their kittens, in 5 years can create 450,000 kittens.
What?
When we hear one cat, our mind goes to 450,000 kittens. So we worked with the city commission and got a community cat trial period for 18 months. So we can go into the community, cats that are free roaming cats that don't have homes, don't have owners.
Do we still call them strays, Lorri?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, okay.
So we go out and we trap them, and we got a grant from Petco Foundation to help us, and not only to fund that program, but to also help individuals spay and neuter their cats. But just to give you an idea, day before yesterday, we trapped 19 cats in one day from 5 different locations. 8 of those cats were pregnant. One cat gave birth overnight before we could do her surgery, and another was in labor. So think of that 450,000 by one pregnant cat, and times that times 8.
Yeah.
So just in one day, how many lives we saved by doing that. And that's what we want. If I could preach one thing to our community and to our followers and to animal lovers, is to please spay and neuter. With that grant also allows us, we can do cat spay neuters for people in the public for only $10. So even in these hard times, people can afford $10. So if you have a cat or of a neighbor that has a cat, reach out to us and we will help. And if you can't afford that $10, we'll take care of it. We will do whatever is necessary because we see the side effect. Last year alone, we had days where we would get in 40, 50, 60 cats and kittens a day. Mm-hmm. And when you open your doors and you don't have any cages open and you get that many in, it's heartbreaking. And we work tirelessly to save lives. And so that is our biggest mission by far.
And cats more than dogs, huh?
Dogs usually only come in heat twice a year. Cats, it can be constant. They're either in heat lactating or pregnant almost year round. And there are a lot more resources for dogs. I hate to say that, but we work with a lot of rescue organizations in the Northeast, and we probably have 40 different organizations that help us with dogs when we're too crowded with dogs, but we only have 2 organizations that are able to help with cats. And that's because cat overpopulation is a problem everywhere. Dogs are not, because in the Northeast, they have a really strong licensing program that works well. So their shelters are not full up there. And the ability to work with those rescues allow us to help a lot of the rural animal shelters around us. So it's not only saving the animals in our facility, but saving the animals in a lot of facilities near us. And what better feeling?
Thank you for what you do. What words of wisdom would you leave us with for people to spay and neuter for sure? And the animal shelter is open during this COVID-19 crazy pandemic.
Yes, we are. I always tell everybody, if you can't adopt, there are a lot of ways to help. If you can't adopt, you can donate. If you can't donate, you can volunteer, which we're closed to volunteers right now. But if you can't volunteer, you can sure help us educate. So every single person out there can help an animal in some form or fashion. But if you know anybody that needs help, or of some stray cats hanging around your neighborhood, call us and we will get some people out there to help.
That sounds good. Lorri Hare, thank you so much.